Hello everyone, in this Roblox scripting tutorial I'll show you how to add currency system to your game. So if we test this place, if we join you will see this little cash and zero. So this is basically a leader stat, and now if we click this we'll get plus 10 cash, and if we click this we'll get minus 10 cash. Okay, let's get to scripting. Okay, so let's start with adding a script into the server script service. So what you would normally do is get a player by doing this. But since this is a script, so it runs on the server side, it won't work. Instead we'll get the player by checking if a player joins the game. Okay, so this is basically a function that will run whenever a player joins, and this gets the player that joined the game. Okay, now let's start scripting the currency by adding a reader subfolder. Basically, it will show up on the tab. There will be a picture, so let's add it like this. Okay, so this adds a new folder inside the player, and this renames it to leader stats. If you do not name it leader stats, it will not show up on the tab. So now let's get a cash value. So cash value. Okay, so this adds the cash value. It's basically an int value, and what int value is, it basically stores numbers, and here we add it inside the folder. This renames it to cash. Let me actually capitalize this. This renames it to cash, and this sets the value to 0. Now it should work. Let's test it out. Here we go. As you can see, it shows up cash and 0. Okay, now that we know that it works, I will show you how to add and remove cash from players. Let's add 2 parts, just like this. Place one here, place one here. Let's name this one cash giver. So now let's add a click detector. Basically what it does, it checks if they clicked the button or the giver or whatever. And let's add a script. Okay, first let's get the detector. Okay, and now let's check if they clicked the brick. So yeah, this is again a function, but instead it will run when player clicks the brick, and we get the player again. So now let's get giving cash. Let's now get local cash is equal to player, wait for child, leader stats, point cash point value. Oh, basically this gets the cash, and cash point value plus equals 10. This gives the cash. So now let's basically just copy this and paste it into the cash remover. So basically we just have to change the minus. Okay, so let's see if it works. If you didn't know it yet, when we go to the players and the player, you see there's a folder leader stats that created and the cash value. So now if we click the brick that gives cache, it gives cache, as you can see, and if we click this, it removes the cache. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. In the next video I will show you how to save the cache, so when you leave and join again you have the same value as before. This is the first scripting tutorial on this channel. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next tutorial.